Okay, we're going to talk about Portuguese influence on Macau. And we're going to be looking at some of the beautiful churches like São Domingos and this beautiful plaza. And we're going to be walking through and seeing some of the Portuguese influences and what makes Macau such a special, beautiful place with its Portuguese and Chinese mix. So let's get into that. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so in the distance you can hear some jazz music. I hope it doesn't affect my music at all. That's actually a live performance. That's São Domingos Church. So that's been here, I think, since 1500s. I think I looked it up before. And some of the churches have been around for 500-600 years. Behind me, way behind me, is Taipa ruins, which is a famous tourist attraction. And that's also part of the Portuguese. And I really think Macau is really a beautiful city because of these Portuguese influences. It's black and white tiled floors. And I do like Chinese culture as well, so that's here in abundance. That's actually much stronger, significantly stronger in every way, every conceivable way. But it's nice to have all these little Portuguese elements throughout this, and I hope that Macau maintains it and keeps it. And I think that that's a big plus for the city of Macau, and also I think it's encouragement for, I think it's also great for China, because I think that a lot of the strategies long term is that Macau will become a financial hub for the Portuguese-speaking world and the Spanish-speaking world as well. And they are moving towards that direction already. So I hope that they continue to preserve it with this beautiful structures and all these beautiful sites. I think that they will. I think they definitely will. But I think that it would be very, very beneficial if they also encourage more Portuguese immigration and more Portuguese visitors and tourists and travelers and more Portuguese students. They should be coming here in large numbers, studying here, getting student visas. There should be encouragement from the government. Bring them in, get them studying in this city, and make it so that there's more Portuguese available, so that the Chinese people that are here, they can study Portuguese with actual Portuguese speaking people and keep that language and keep that culture and keep all of that alive. So I hope that that happens for Macau in the future. When I meet Macanese and Portuguese people in Macau, I heard that their numbers are like 1/5 or 1/6 the size that they used to be 25 years ago or so. It's just so much smaller and there's not much encouragement. And I've also heard a lot of things that sound like they don't even want Portuguese here, which I don't think is true at all, because of the, just kind of inconceivable that you would lose that element that's so special and amazing about the city. But I think I can see it with little things. Even the Hengqin Island is going to be part of Macau, but foreigners who are non-Chinese will not be able to go there without a passport, even though it'll be part of the same city. So there's a lot of little things that are kind of chasing the Portuguese away. They don't really seem very wanted in this new society that they're creating here. And I hope that that's not the case. I hope I'm wrong. I hope that Portuguese are always welcome. I'm not Portuguese myself, but I really love the Portuguese element here. And we're kind of showing you Sao Paulo ruins at the same time. So we're gonna keep on walking around. Lots of tourists here. And you can see many, many, many people from mainland China. There's lots of people that are shopping. The doors are open to China, so the city is like strongly encouraging. Almost all the casinos are geared towards mainland Chinese. Very little focus on Portuguese or Europeans or foreigners, but it could be totally different because that element is here and it's such a beautiful city. So I hope that that they can also encourage that kind of tourism and those kind of students from that world. And continue Macau to be this special, magical place with fusion between East and West, and you need the other side of it as well. That's what makes it really special. We can all go to China and all have the Chinese experience with 10 minutes away. So it's really special to keep this place with all the Portuguese influences. So okay, hope you like this, and I hope that's also kind of a selling point that that we can keep this and keep all the specialness with all the different people around here as well. And right here we got Senado Square. I will let you know, before, when this is Portuguese, this was actually all traffic in here, so they've actually done a lot of different stuff, and I think that was when China came, they created more this little plaza and they changed it around, I think. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. So there's actually a lot of good things that China's doing with it, with with Macau. Great things. Amazing city. Love it. But I also hope that they don't forget some of that beautiful origin and roots that make Macau so special with the Portuguese influences and origin and history. Okay. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha. Chiquinha.